In this step-by-step guide, I will teach you how to join Quotex affiliate program. First of all, you need to go to the Google and write the simple keyword Quotex affiliate program, and you need to open the first result, which is their official affiliate program website, quotex-partner.com, and open it. So after we'll go to this page, then you need to click try now, and you need to sign up. Click on sign up in the bottom right here, enter your email address, enter your password, and create an account for Quotex Affiliate Center. So after we'll create an account and log into your account, if you want to create an affiliate link, you need to look at the left menu, click on the links, and right here you will see pre-made links for you. But you can also create a new link by clicking this button in the top right corner and create a new affiliate link for you. So choose the link type, choose the affiliate program type, and write the comment. Click the save button and you will create the affiliate link. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.